Hi, my name is Anna Williams-Price and I am Merthyr Tydfil County Borough Council's Cabinet Member for Financial Sustainability, Assets and Commercial. I've been a councillor since 2022 and I represent the Plymouth ward, which covers Abercanet, Pentre and Troederew. Outside of the council, I'm a governor of Abercanet Community Primary School, where my two children attend, and I'm also a governor at Greenfield School. Within my portfolio area, I have responsibility for finance, revenue and benefits, commercialisation and procurement, property services, estates and asset management, customer services, IT and audit. Whilst these service areas aren't as public-facing as others within the council, they are hugely important and have an impact on our residents and communities, so I want to take the opportunity to tell you a little bit about the work we're doing. Right now, our property services team are supporting delivery of 3 new schools, namely Gytra, Blessed Carlo Acutis and Penedre. These new facilities will have a positive impact on pupils, providing the best environment for them to learn. As an organisation, we're fully committed to reducing carbon emissions from our buildings and promoting renewable energy schemes. We're on track to reach our target of 15% reductions in CO2 emissions from our buildings by 2025, and will now focus on how we can achieve net zero in line with Welsh Government targets. As well as reducing the CO2 emissions, these changes have also resulted in £1.2 million financial savings. As an organisation, we spend over £100 million a year on goods, services and works. And to ensure this is spent legally and fairly, our procurement team provides support to all departments to facilitate their needs, ranging from high-value social services contracts and school builds to low-value goods contracts. The impact of this spend is significant, and as an anchor organisation in Merthyr Tydfil, we support local jobs and other community benefits through our spending, and we are currently looking at how we maximise this to benefit our local communities. The ICT department is playing a significant role in developing and delivering the authority's digital strategy, which will continue to modernise council services, enhance operational efficiency and deliver a seamless digital experience to residents. Our revenues and benefits teams are there, among other things, to make sure you're receiving the benefits you're entitled to, and our contact centre is your first point of call at the council to make sure you get to the right person or the right information for the service you need. Essentially, the main focus of my portfolio area is ensuring the financial sustainability of the council, how we spend our money and how we use our resources, all of which contribute to delivery of residents' priorities.